You're about to change your diesel's oil. You've got the new oil, the filter, your drain pan, and your tools ready. You walk out to your car, crawl underneath, and immediately start draining the old oil. You just made a critical mistake that's leaving behind contaminated oil, reducing the effectiveness of your oil change, and slowly killing your engine with every service. Most diesel owners make this exact mistake. They treat oil changes like a simple drain and fill procedure. Get the old oil out, put new oil in, done. But there's something you need to do before you drain that oil. Something that takes 10 minutes and costs absolutely nothing, but makes the difference between an oil change that truly protects your engine and one that's only partially effective. Professional mechanics know this. Fleet managers who need engines to last 500,000 miles do this religiously. But somehow, this critical step never made it into common knowledge. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll reveal the second thing you need to do before every oil change that can catch catastrophic engine problems months before they become expensive failures. Let's start with the first critical step that most diesel owners skip completely. Step 1. Never change your oil cold. Always warm your engine first. This sounds backwards to most people. They think cold oil is safer to work with, easier to handle, and there's no risk of burns. All of that's true. But cold oil changes are less effective than warm oil changes, especially in diesel engines. Here's why. As your engine runs, the oil suspends contaminants in solution. Soot particles from combustion, metal particles from wear, fuel dilution, moisture, acids from combustion byproducts, all held in suspension by the oil's detergent additives. When your engine sits cold for hours, the oil becomes thicker and flows more slowly. When you drain cold oil, it flows slowly and leaves behind more residual oil in passages and components. When you drain warm oil, the contaminants are fully in suspension and the oil flows easily and completely. You might get an extra 1 to 2% of the old oil out with a warm change. For diesel engines producing massive amounts of soot, this matters. Here's the proper procedure. Start your engine and let it run for 10 to 15 minutes. Idling is sufficient. You want the oil warm, around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, not dangerously hot. If you've been driving, let the engine sit for 5 to 10 minutes to cool from full operating temperature of 200 to 220 degrees, while keeping the oil warm enough for optimal draining. Then drain the oil. Wear gloves, have clean rags ready, position your drain pan properly. You'll notice warm oil drains faster and more completely. Now here's the second critical step that almost nobody does. Step 2. Inspect your old oil before you drain it. Most people drain the oil and immediately throw it away without looking at it. This is a missed opportunity to catch problems months before they become catastrophic failures. Your used oil tells a story about what's happening inside your engine. Before you drain, check your oil with the dipstick. Look at the color, consistency, and smell. Normal used diesel oil is dark brown or black. This is expected and healthy. Diesel oil turns black quickly because it's suspending soot particles. Don't worry about dark oil, that's normal. Here's what indicates problems. Milky brown oil like a chocolate milkshake means coolant contamination. Head gasket leak, cracked head, or cracked block. Even 0.4% coolant in oil causes sludge and destroys bearings. This requires immediate attention. Strong diesel fuel smell means fuel dilution. Leaking injectors, failed injector seals, or excessive short trips. Fuel dilution can drop 15W40 oil down to 5W20 viscosity. Above 2 to 3% requires immediate investigation. Catch this early and you might just need injector seals. Ignore it and you're looking at scored cylinders and bearing damage. Metallic sparkle means metal particles from wear. Excessive sparkle indicates accelerated wear from low oil level, extended drain intervals, or component failure. Oil level higher than last check means definite fuel dilution. Diesel fuel is sneaking into your crankcase. Oil level significantly lower means oil consumption. Small amounts are normal on high mileage engines. Excessive consumption indicates worn rings, valve seals, or turbo seals. Frothy oil, or foam, means severe fuel dilution, wrong oil type, or excessive blow-by. Now drain your oil and continue inspecting. Watch the oil as it drains. It should flow smoothly and consistently. Chunks or globs means sludge formation from extended drain intervals, poor quality oil, excessive idling, or coolant contamination. Sludge blocks passages. Metallic flakes mean significant internal wear. Fine particles are somewhat normal. Visible flakes indicate bearing wear, gear wear, or component failure in progress. Burn smell means severe overheating from sustained high loads or cooling system problems. Burned oil has lost its protective properties. Water droplets or emulsion mean moisture contamination beyond normal condensation. Head gasket issues, cracked components, or excessive short trips that never reach operating temperature. Catch any of these warning signs and you've identified a problem in early stages. Fix it now for a few $100s. Ignore it until catastrophic failure and you're looking at thousands in repairs. This inspection costs nothing, takes 2 minutes, but saves countless diesel owners from catastrophic failures. Here's a real-world example. A diesel owner noticed his oil level slightly high. He inspected the oil and smelled diesel fuel. A mechanic found one injector with a failed seal. Repair cost: $400 for the injector seal. If ignored, continued dilution would eventually cause bearing damage and destroy the engine. Repair cost: $8,000 to $15,000. All caught because he took 2 minutes to inspect his oil. Here's your action plan for every oil change. Step 1. Warm your engine for 10 to 15 minutes. Cool for 5 to 10 minutes if you've been driving. Step 2. Inspect the oil on the dipstick. Check color, consistency, smell, and level. Step 3. Drain the warm oil and inspect it as it drains. Look for contamination, particles, sludge, or unusual appearance. Step 4. If you find anything concerning, investigate immediately. Problems don't get better with time. Step 5. Complete your oil change with quality oil and filter, knowing you've removed maximum contamination, and check for problems. This adds 15 minutes to your oil change routine, but improves effectiveness and provides early warning of problems that could destroy your engine. The diesel owners whose engines last 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles aren't lucky. They're following proper maintenance procedures that extract maximum contamination and catch problems early. Diesels produce far more soot, run higher compression, and operate under higher loads than petrol engines. They're less forgiving of poor maintenance. Professional diesel mechanics and fleet operators all follow these practices. Warm the engine before draining. Inspect the oil every time. Your diesel deserves better than a quick drain and fill while cold. Start implementing these 2 steps today. Warm the engine first. Inspect the oil before and during draining. Your diesel engine will reward you with longer life, better reliability, and fewer expensive surprises. All from 2 simple steps that cost nothing but attention and a few extra minutes. Do this before every oil change, and your diesel engine will never die from preventable contamination or undetected problems. What's your experience with oil changes? Have you ever caught a problem by inspecting your used oil? Share your story in the comments. If learning these 2 critical steps could extend your diesel's life by years and save you thousands in repairs, hit that like button and subscribe for more maintenance knowledge that actually protects your engine. Thanks for watching.